اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Join us for a 30-part series on Ramadan of Victory.
The fourth key to victory as an ummah, the 24th of the keys to victory, is victory in piety. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran in the 23rd surah, verse 52,
وَإِنَّ هَذِهِ أُمَّتُكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَأَنَا رَبُّكُمْ فَاتَّقُونِ.
and truly this is the common nation of you all, one common nation of faith, and I am your Lord, so fear you none but me. Be mindful of none but me. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that what is it that brings us together? An ummah is a group of people who come together in faith. And it is one nation of faith. Every one of La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah comes together in faith. Then who do we deem to be of rank? It's the people who have taqwa of Allah. At the level of individuals, we must cultivate that quality of taqwa, both in our private lives, but also when we come together as believers. When we seek to serve, let us be guided by taqwa in our community work. Let us be guided by taqwa in our political advocacy at the level of nations, at the level of the ummah. When we stand up for the rights of Muslims, let us uphold taqwa. What is taqwa? Taqwa is to strive to remain within the limits of Allah, to strive to remain within the pleasure of Allah, to keep away from those actions, those words, those values contrary to the guidance of Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And we should imbue the notion of piety in our community organizations and at the level of the ummah. Let our activism, let our service, let our community engagement, let our social engagement, let our political engagement be guided by taqwa. How? Keep a living connection with the people of knowledge and imbue taqwa in this, that what choice is most likely to be pleasing to Allah by the standards of prophetic guidance. Consult the people of knowledge. Come together and make that a concern. And one of the most important things to have taqwa regarding is our motivation. Believers act solely for the sake of Allah. That should imbue our ummatic concern. We are doing this not out of anger. We're not doing this out of identity. We're doing this as servants of Allah, seeking the pleasure of Allah in order to be truly grateful servants of Allah. Walhamdulillah.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.